Ladies and gentlemen of the internet jury, the verdict is in. No, not just Diddy's verdict, yours. Are you ready to uncover the wild courtroom drama, celebrity chaos, and legal loopholes that turned this trial into one of the most bizarre shows since OJ tried on a glove? Because this isn't just a trial recap, it's a 10-count takedown of fame, fortune, and the American legal system's most theatrical catwalk. Grab your metaphorical gavels. Court is now in session. Number 1. The charges. What did Diddy actually face? Let's start with the basics, shall we? Diddy stood trial on multiple charges, ranging from alleged racketeering to witness intimidation. Sounds more like a crime drama script than real life, right? But no, this was real, and prosecutors weren't playing. Next up, if you thought that was spicy, wait till you hear who walked into the courtroom. Number 2, the witness list was basically a BET Awards after party. Seriously, it felt like the red carpet rolled straight into the witness box. From disgruntled ex-associates to ex-partners with NDA amnesia, the list of witnesses was more entertaining than half of Netflix. And just when you thought it couldn't get messier, someone actually name-dropped another celeb in the crossfire. Hollywood, please, this isn't a roast, it's a trial. But hey, what's a star-studded case without the cameras? Coming up, how the media circus turned this courtroom into a coliseum. Number 3, the trial coverage. Reality TV's evil twin? Court TV? More like celebrity courtroom cinematic universe. Reporters camped outside like it was the Super Bowl. TikTok lawyers broke down testimony like football analysts. And let's not forget the daily Diddy drip commentary, because apparently his tailored suit choices were more debated than the actual evidence. Fashion court, guilty of stealing attention. Now buckle up, because we're diving into the actual defense strategy. And trust me, it's juicier than a TMZ exclusive. Number 4, the defense was slicker than Diddy's cologne line. His lawyers, surgical. They attacked credibility like it was open season. They framed the prosecution's case as a vengeful web of lies and labeled Diddy as the ultimate scapegoat for celebrity excess. Oh, and they didn't miss a beat exploiting every procedural hole like it was a game of legal whack-a-mole. But did it work? Stick around, because the jury's decision wasn't just about evidence, it was about influence. Number 5, the jury. 12 angry influencers? Okay, they weren't actually influencers, but in a world where clout matters more than context, jury selection became psychological warfare. The defense aimed for skeptical minds, while the prosecution wanted people who still think celebrities can be guilty. Rare species these days. And what did the judge think of all this? Courtroom theater? You'll love this next part. Number 6, the judge had the patience of a saint and the sass of Judge Judy. This judge wasn't here for games. Quick with objections, quicker with warnings, and absolutely done with the theatrics by day 4. At one point, he even scolded a witness for performing for the cameras. Your Honor, we stan. And just when we thought we were heading toward a clean verdict, bam, the trial takes a weird left turn. Number 7, that one bombshell twist that changed everything. A mystery witness showed up with evidence that hadn't been disclosed. Cue gasps, cue panic, cue the defense calling it a last-minute Hail Mary. The judge allowed a limited testimony, but it was just enough to throw doubt in every direction. Now let's talk about the moment of truth, the verdict. And no, it wasn't what people expected. Number 8, the verdict. Not guilty, but not innocent either? The jury found Diddy not guilty on the major charges, but let's be real, public opinion sentenced him weeks ago. It was a legal win, but a PR mess. Because in the court of public opinion, all press is guilty by association. Now here's where it gets spicy. What does this mean for other celebrities with legal problems? Let's zoom out. Number 9, what it means for celebrity justice in 2025. Let's face it, rich and famous defendants have better suits, better lawyers, and way more time to prepare. The Diddy case just proved it again. When you're famous, you're either too big to jail or too watched to slip. And every celeb in legal limbo right now, they just took notes from this masterclass in damage control. But before we close the file, there's one last page you need to read. Number 10. The real verdict? The system isn't broken, it's just starstruck. The Diddy trial wasn't just about one man's guilt or innocence. It was a flashing neon sign saying, if you're rich enough, famous enough, and have a lawyer with enough teeth, you don't need to win the trial. You just need to survive it better than the headlines. If you found this breakdown sharper than a prosecutor's closing argument, hit that like button like it's a gavel. Subscribe for more courtroom chaos, legal drama, and the wild intersection of fame and justice. And in the comments, tell us, was justice served or just styled for the cameras? Court adjourned. Until next time, keep your facts sharp and your verdicts fair.